Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp keeps stopping error. Let's get started. First, open your settings, then go to apps, then search for WhatsApp. Tap storage and cache, and then select clear cache. If the problem continues, tap clear storage or clear data, but make sure your chats are backed up first. Then reopen WhatsApp and check if it's working fine. Next, open the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp and tap Update if available. Older versions of the app can sometimes crash or stopping unexpectedly. Updating usually fixes bugs and performance issues. If it still keeps stopping, restart your phone, and if that doesn't work, uninstall WhatsApp, then reinstall it from the Play Store. Once reinstalled, restore your chats from your Google Drive backup. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.